The basics of creating a great campsite. If you are thinking of taking the trip of a lifetime, you should consider camping as one of your vacation ideas. It does not matter if you are thinking of hiking the Appalachian Trail or going to the local campground, the memories of your camping trip will last a lifetime. Use these tips to help ensure you have a safe and exciting adventure. If you are planning any kind of backcountry camping, a must-carry item is a fire starter kit. If you are in a survival situation, fire is a way to cook, keep you warm, purify water, and signal for help. Many camping stores sell fire starters that can be used when wet and do not require any fuel. Also, try making fire when you are not in a survival situation so you know you can do it if the need arises. Always take more water than you think you will use when you go on a camping trip. Many times, people forget how much water is needed. It is used for drinking, washing dishes and hands, cooking and even brushing your teeth. Water is not something you want to be without. When going camping, make sure that you bring the right sleeping bag with you. Some sleeping bags will not keep you warm when the temperature dips below 40 degrees, while others will have you sweating all night long because they are too hot. The label on the bag usually will tell you what kinds of temperatures are appropriate for each sleeping bag. When going camping, try to buy non-perishable items to eat. There are no refrigerators in the wild, so everything you bring has to be kept in good order. You can certainly bring a cooler to put food in, but the cooler will be added bulk on your trip. Therefore, make an effort to bring more non-perishable foods than perishable. When traveling to your camping destination, plan on stopping and having a meal when you're near the campground, but before you actually arrive. Being well fed before arriving will ease frustrations if the campground is full, or if it takes longer to get your gear set up. Use this break to discuss your plans and to remind everyone of how to remain safe. Camping is a great experience that anyone can get involved in. As you can see, camping is a great adventure that can be fun and exciting for the entire family. If you utilize these tips, you will be able to ensure a successful adventure that your whole family enjoys. Giveaway time. Get a free tactical pen today. Limited supply only. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Testers needed for a new survival and defense tool. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Do you want the most discreet weapon ever invented, for free? Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Link in the description.